Welcome to week 2 of the challenge. And I pray that you are taking these cheat codes to the legal system, these shortcuts to understanding, as valuable insights that literally train and equip you to do something about the injustice in our world. And today's proverb is verse 8 of the 16th chapter. Better is a little with righteousness than great revenue without right. So, the key to the principle or the law of this proverb is understanding what righteousness means. What has happened in the spookifying of the Bible and religious teachings, terms like righteousness have been mistaught. They have been perverted into a form of spookiness and spirituality, which loses the true meaning of the word. Righteousness, when understanding the Hebrew text and its application, is synonymous with justice, judgment. It is pointing to the role of people who are called to lead through service to the community, to do what is right and to right what has been wrong between people. This is what righteousness means. And on another level, with respect to the nation's relationship to our Creator, righteousness is judging the wrong of the nation. So when righteousness is put in its proper context, then we understand that the principle or the legal operation of this proverb is telling us it doesn't matter how wealthy your nation is. It doesn't matter how prosperous your nation is, because if your nation does not have justice, then your nation is suffering poverty. Your nation is actually poor, because justice is more valuable than your GDP. Justice is more valuable than your accounts. Justice is more valuable than the silver and the gold. If you have unclean hands, if you have murdered for your gain, if you have stolen to have the things that you have, if you have lied in order to secure great wealth and power, then you will fall. This is an instruction and an understanding for government leaders to know you may appear to prosper in this moment, but your denial of justice to those who have not, your denial of justice to those who you have stolen from, your denial of justice to those who you have destroyed their soul, will result in the poverty and the destruction of your wealth. It is better to have justice than to have these riches and to have great wealth, because justice brings peace and prosperity, true peace and prosperity to the nation. I pray this blesses you. Hey, what do you think? Share your Bible study notes in the comments and join me tomorrow for day 9 of the challenge.